How to use page passwords in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your actual dashboard on your actual setup guide. From in there, hover to the Pages option. Head over to the website, click on Pages, and after that, you can see in here all of the pages that you currently have. So as you can see, I have in here some marketing tools, custom codes, as well as system pages. For example, I have in here this lock screen. So for this case, just choose in here the actual page that you wish to use. Open it and you can actually change its layout if you want. If you wish to actually add a password to your actual pages, click on this gear icon on that page, and then from in there, this will open. In this case, you can see that we have the password option. Input right here a password that you wish to use. Let me input right here this, and after that, you can click onto the save icon, and then this password shall be used when accessing this particular page. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.